completion of one type of numerical, that is finding the missing word A, B, C, D for the chapter phenol. Next type of problem, that is problem based on structure and properties. It is a 5-mark question. So before going to this problem, we have to remember all the method of preparation and chemical property of phenol. So after remembering that one, switch over to the problem. First one, what is this one? An organic compound A, formula is given C6H6O, which is insoluble in aqueous sodium bicarbonate but soluble in sodium hydroxide. So from this it is clear that organic compound C6H6O, it is nearly equal, that is phenol, because we know that phenol, a chemical distinction is there, phenol and benzoic acid or acetic acid. As the sodium bicarbonate weak base is there, so it is not respond to phenol, but when it is treated with benzoic acid or acetic acid, then the liberation of sodium bicarbonate, liberation of carbon dioxide. So by this concept, using this concept, it is clear that this formula gives an idea that is A is phenol, because the formula is C6H6O, so it is A. Next is this A treatment with bromine water. We know that two reactions are there. One is phenol treated with bromine water, and one is phenol treatment with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide. When phenol treated with bromine water, a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol is formed, while phenol treatment with bromine in presence of carbon disulfide, a mixture of O-bromophenol and B-bromophenol is there. According to question, it is treated with bromine water. So when phenol treated with bromine water, what is it formed? A white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromophenol. So it is B. When treatment with the bromine water rapidly form a white precipitate B. Formula C6H3OBr3. This one match with this formula, so it is B. When a treatment with benzene diammonium chloride in slightly alkaline medium. So when a reacts with benzene diammonium chloride, mark the equation. We know that one reaction is there, that is known as the coupling reaction. Formation of azodine. Mark that when benzene diammonium chloride reacts with phenol in slightly alkaline medium pH 9 to 10, 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, what we call a dye is formed, that is known as p-hydroxyazobenzene. Mark this one. Is orange dye. Form an orange dye, it is known as C. Its name is p-hydroxyazobenzene. So here A is known as phenol, B is known as a white precipitate, that is known as 2,4,6 tribromophenol, and C, the orange dye, is known as p-hydroxyazobenzene. A, B, C. Next, we go to next problem. What is the next question? An organic compound A, treatment with chloroform and potassium hydroxide. So from this data in the chapter phenol, chloroform and potassium hydroxide, we recall that it is known as Reimer-Diamond reaction. What is Reimer-Diamond reaction? When phenol reacts with chloroform in presence of aqueous alkali. Mark the equation. Reimer-Diamond reaction. Phenol reacts with the chloroform in presence of aqueous alkali 1, A mixture of O-hydroxybenzaldehyde plus P-hydroxybenzaldehyde is formed. O-hydroxybenzaldehyde and P-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Come to the question. Organic compound A reacts with chloroform and KOH, gives B and C. So if we select it is A, then it is B, then it is C. Both of which in turn give the same compound D when distilled with zinc dust. Both of when heated with zinc dust, then what is it formed? One compound is formed, that is known as zinc. So O-hydroxybenzaldehyde when heated with zinc dust gives benzaldehyde. Because we know that when phenol heated with zinc dust, benzene is formed. So phenol turns to benzene, then CH group is there, that is known as benzaldehyde. It is D. Next, D gives E. On oxidation, D gives E. So benzaldehyde on oxidation gives benzoic acid. It is E. Next question is E. The sodium salt of E on heating with soda lime. If we select sodium salt of benzoic acid, then what is the equation? Sodium salt of benzoic acid heated with soda lime. What is soda lime? Mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. It comes under D carboxylation reaction. When it is the sodium salt of benzoic acid heated with soda lime, what is the form? Benzene is formed. So on the sodium salt of E on heating with soda lime gives F. It is F. So which can also be obtained. This F can also be obtained by distilling A with zinc dust. A. If A is phenol, we know that if A is phenol on heating with zinc dust, so what is it formed? Benzene is formed. So here distilled with zinc dust, benzene is formed. So here A is known as phenol, B and C is known as O-hydroxybenzaldehyde and P-hydroxybenzaldehyde, D is known as benzaldehyde, E is known as benzoic acid, and F, that is known as benzene. Mark down what is the question. An organic compound A on treatment with alkali forms B. When the compound B heated with carbon dioxide gas at 400 Kelvin under 4 to 7 atmospheric pressure forms C, which on acidification with HCl gas gives D. When D treated with acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid produces E. Having formula is given, which is popularly used as a painkiller. Identify A, B, C, D. So mark this first line. Organic compound, I repeat again, this problem is based upon the chapter of phenol only. So when organic compound A treated with alkali form B, B heated with carbon dioxide gas at 400 Kelvin. So from this statement it is clear that it is a Cole's synthesis. Cole's reaction means sodium phenoxide treated with carbon dioxide gas at 400 Kelvin under 4 to 7 atmospheric pressure. Sodium salicylate is formed, which on acidification with HCl gives salicylic acid. That means A is phenol. Mark the equation. A is phenol treated with sodium alkali, sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide. It is known as B. This sodium phenoxide heated with carbon dioxide gas 400 Kelvin, 4 to 7 atmospheric pressure, then sodium salicylate is formed. It is C, sodium salicylate, which on acidification HCl means NaCl remove, H moves to here, so form salicylic acid. It is A, it is B, it is C, it is D, salicylic acid, D is formed. So when D heated with acetic anhydride, we know that when salicylic acid heated with acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. What happen? Aspirin is formed. That is, mark the equation how it is formed. Salicylic acid treated with acetic anhydride in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So here COOH is removed. So what is the product? Product is 2-acetoxy-benzoic acid, COCH3 COOH. It is known as E. So it is aspirin, that is well known painkiller. So here A is known as phenol, B is known as sodium phenoxide, C is known as sodium salicylate, D is known as salicylic acid, and E is known as aspirin, which is popularly used as a painkiller. Next, Sujot to next progress. What is the next question? An aromatic compound A undergoes nitration to form B. B undergoes reduction in presence of acidified stannous chloride to form C. When which treatment with nitrous acid, the compound C will react with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature to form a diazo compound D. That diazo compound, when hydrolyzed in presence of mineral acid, gives compound E. Which this compound E, when treated with neutral ferric chloride solution, gives a violet color complex, violet color. So it is clear that as we discuss about the chapter of phenol, so we know phenol when treated with neutral ferric chloride solution gives a violet color complex. So it is clear that E must be a phenol. Again, back. When the compound C treatment with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature, diazo compound is formed. So that D must be benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride, when undergoes hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid, form phenol. So mark the equation how it is formed. We know benzene diazonium chloride, when it is undergoes hydrolysis, bond break here, H combined with Cl, OH part put here, result in the formation of phenol plus N2 plus H2O. So it is benzene diazonium chloride, it is phenol. Again, how it is D, it is E. Again, how D is formed? When the compound C reacts with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature. So C must be aniline. Mark that how it is formed. We know aniline reacts with nitrous acid NaNO2 plus in acidic medium to HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. What happened? Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. So this aniline is C. And how C is formed? When B undergoes reduction, that means B must be nitrobenzene. Mark the equation how it is possible. Nitrobenzene, we know nitrobenzene when undergoes reduction in acid medium SN/HCl, then N3H, then 2H, that is NH2 plus 4H and 2O, H2O. So this is known as nitrobenzene B. It is aniline is C. Again, how B is formed? Aromatic compound A undergoes nitration. So A must be benzene. Mark the equation how it is possible. Benzene reacts with nitric acid concentrated in presence of sulfuric acid concentrated. What form? Reform nitrobenzene. So from this equation it is clear that aromatic compound A is benzene, then undergoes a nitration form B is nitrobenzene then undergoes treatment with a nitrous acid at ice cold temperature. That nitrobenzene undergoes reduction in acid medium form aniline C. Then aniline, when reacts with ice cold reacts with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature to form benzene diazoxide chloride, BDC diazobenzene D. So D when treated with hydrolysis in acid medium form E phenol. And last one is phenol reacts with neutral ferric chloride solution, a violet color complex is formed. So mark that how phenol when treatment with ferric chloride, neutral ferric chloride solution, a violet color complex is formed. It is a violet color complex. So from this discussion it is clear that A is known as benzene, B is known as nitrobenzene, C is known as aniline, D is known as benzene diazoxide chloride, and E is known as phenol.